Welcome back to Processing Brains. In this video, we will learn how to install Python 3.10 on Windows 11. So here I have Windows 11, and to see what current version of Python I have, simply go to your search, go and type in for command prompt, open up command prompt, and here type in for Python space dash dash version. Hit enter. It says Python not found, so that means Python is not installed. So we will go and install Python 3.10 on Windows 11. For that, go and open any browser, go to new tab, type in for Python 3.10, hit enter. So here we are on the release. So the latest one is 3.10.5, and I believe 6 is also released, so we can download that as well. But if you go and simply type in for Python, it would take us to this page. Click on download, and here you can see Python 3.10.6 is the latest one, so you can download it from here. Simply go and click on download. You can see Python 3.0. So just go and open this. Click on add path to add path because that is needed. Click on customize install. In case if you do not want one of these, simply go and uncheck. Click on next. You can also install for all users, and here just go and click on install. If it asks for any permission, just go and click on yes. And here you can see the installation process has begun. So just go and wait for it. So it would take a bit of a time. Simply go and wait for this process to complete. So here you can see the setup was successful. Click on close, and now if I close this command prompt and open it again, and now if I go and type in for Python space dash dash version and hit enter, so you can see I have Python 3.10.6, the latest one. So hope it has helped you to install Python 3.10.6, but before you go, please like, subscribe and share. Thank you.